I am R.P. Sharma, a resident of Konark Apartments, Kalkaji Extension. Our apartment was built in 1985. The Navjeevan and Bhumihin JJ slums were settled here by the DDA around the same time. Each slum family was given a single room unit, but over the years, the camp dwellers have made expansions to their homes. Many shops sprung up and the encroachments have covered most of this main road. This road connecting Guru Ravidas Marg from one hand to all these pockets of Kalkaji Extension. This is the main road for the entire traffic movement of the area. Originally, this road was planned for 45.5 feet, but due to encroachment on both sides, it has been reduced to just 20 feet. With the result, there are a lot of traffic jams. You can see right now traffic jams every day during peak hours. Right next to my apartment, a community toilet has been constructed with no arrangement for water. This is used by the slum dwellers, but is not cleaned regularly. The stink from this toilet makes even walking in this area difficult for us.
इतनी स्मेल आती है कि हम अपने घर में दरवाजे नहीं खोल सकते। कूलर चलाते हैं तो कूलर में सारी स्मेल अंदर आती है घरों के अंदर। और हम बीमार पड़ रहे हैं। हॉस्पिटल में डॉक्टर्स कहते हैं कि आपके पास कहीं फंगल डेवलप है जो एयर के साथ आपके लंग्स में आती है।
During monsoon, the problem worsens as sewage water gets mixed with drinking water, posing a grave health risk.
These quarters may be known as HIG, but our situation is such that we are worse than Joggi Jhonpris.
दिन दहाड़े भी चोरियां होती हैं, वाटर मीटर हैं या इवन ये होम डिलीवरी के लिए लोग आते हैं, साइकिल खड़ी करते हैं अपनी, उनकी साइकिल एकदम निकल जाती है।
Security is another major problem for us due to these slums. There are a number of incidents every day taking place of petty thefts inside our colonies. We tried approaching DDA many times but got no answers. Finally, we had to approach the High Court in 1999. After much struggle, the High Court finally ordered in 2004 the construction of a wall. It took 5 long years for the DDA to construct a wall. Even though the order was also to remove encroachment like shops, workshops, hawkers, etc., but they still exist. We thought this wall will solve our problem of encroachment, but we were in for a rude shock. Within a period of just 3 months, and despite the court orders to the SHO, this wall was broken and the encroachment was back it used to be. We again brought this to the notice of the High Court and it ordered the DDA to rebuild the wall. It is more than 2 years when the High Court had passed orders for the DDA to reconstruct this wall. But the work is yet to begin. When we contacted DDA, they replied last week to us that they could not start the work because they wanted police protection as the slum dwellers were resisting this activity. With the help of CNN IBN, I decided to find out why it had taken 2 years for the DDA to repair the broken wall. The CNN IBN team tried contacting the PRO of DDA. Even after repeated calls, the PRO refused to comment before the camera, saying that the matter was sub judice.
मैम आप फिर भी एक बाइट नहीं देंगे मैम?
ना बाइट नहीं देंगे।
The DDA finally wrote a letter to the SHO Govindpuri asking for police protection for construction of the wall. And yet, look at the carelessness.
They have not mentioned the date here.
Although they have asked for police protection, they have not mentioned a date or time for this. It took CJ team's pressure and 2 years for the DDA to send even a simple letter to the SHO. Have they woken up now? Just because we have approached the media. This is CJ R.P. Sharma from CNN IBN.